In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate Contactless Canara Debit Card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to use contactless debit cards on Canara. So, to do this, you will need to acquire a specific debit card that has the feature. So, when you go over to Canara Bank, you will be able to browse through all of the cards that they offer. What you need to do is look for a specific one that supports contactless payments. Those will usually be indicated by this little icon with a bunch of arrows. So, once you see any of these, choose the option to know more, and you will have to apply to use one of these specific cards. So when you go over to features, you will be able to find if it has the option to do contactless payments. You can also find them on services or websites like RuPay, and all of the cards listed here will have contactless payments. So you can visit this page, click here, and then you can browse through all of these specific cards that support this feature, including cards from Canara Bank. So browse through all of them, and like I said before, you need to find a specific card issued by Canara that has the feature available. Most of them will have the contactless icon, which means that it will have it activated by default. If needed, download the mobile app and customize it through there. But as long as you apply for a card on the official Canara Bank website, or you go over to a branch and you see that it has the contactless icon, it is going to be supported right away, and you don't have to spend time configuring it. You can use the mobile app to set up limits optionally, but it's as simple as tapping and paying with your card at any eligible card reader. Just make sure that you apply for a particular card that has the feature. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Contactless Canara Debit Card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.